Welcome back. We're doing something different today. We've left the RV behind. We're in my buddy's old Dodge pickup truck. We got some tools. We're going down to his camp. Take care of his RV for a little project we're going to do there. We've loaded up my air compressor, various tools, some jacks and weed eater and all kind of stuff. And just in case, we got fishing poles. I wonder if I can mount the dash cam in the old Dodge. It's a beautiful day, sunny, mid-70s. Doesn't get no better than this. My buddy's in the store getting a couple of refreshments. We'll be on our way. In just a moment here, you're going to see that my buddy has a really prime location for a camp. It's really nice down here. Now it's right on the Kiska River, called the Kiski River for short. It's right at the end of the Kiski where it flows into the Allegheny River, just beyond that railroad bridge. Okay, I realized the cameraman messed up. Me. I did a time lapse. We actually jacked up and re-leveled his trailer, and we knew it had sunk a good bit over the years, so it took some doing, and I thought a time lapse would be really cool to do. Anyway, at this point it's done, and I realize I've lost there's nothing to show. Okay, so while we're down here, this is really nice down here. I'll show you a couple sites around here. It's a nice place down here. You know, being Memorial Day weekend, most people have their many people have their boats in, or the boat launches are going to be busy this weekend. This is a weekend where, you know, summer's officially kicked off and everybody's opening up their camps and launching their boats. Now the neighbor here has this deck built, definitely nautical style. You know, kudos to him for creativity. This is really nice. Look, it's shaped like a boat or a ship. Pretty nice. All rustic decor. Equipped with some refreshments there. It looks like little jugs. Some nice old lanterns. Pretty nice. And I bet that is a genuine Schenley whiskey barrel. If you do Google search on Schenley whiskey, there's a lot of history in this area for a lot of whiskey making. And what ship wouldn't be complete without a cannon, right? Yeah, for the size of Schenley, and the across the river is Freeport, Pennsylvania. A lot of whiskey was made in this area. All right, we'll just see a few more sites here. There's a nice cruiser making its way up the Allegheny River. Could live in that. I guess that's the end of the video. Sometimes footage is lost or there's operator error with the camera. It happens. Thanks for watching our videos. Like, comment, share, subscribe. We will be back on the road soon. I hope not to do any more project videos. There probably will be one more, but we will be on the road again soon. Come on. Hey, fella. Huh? Here, Bella. Who's that? Who's there? Come on, this way. Come on, this way. Who's there? Who's there? Who's there? Good girl. Come here. Who's there? Good girl. Good girl. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you next time.